How to increase playback speed on Amazon Prime Video. Today, I'm going to show you how to increase the playback speed on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or documentaries, speeding up the playback can help you save time. So let's dive right in. Amazon Prime Video offers a great feature that allows you to adjust the playback speed, so you can either speed up or slow down the content you're watching. This feature is super helpful if you're trying to binge watch or just want to finish content faster. Let me walk you through how to adjust it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open your web browser and go to Amazon Prime Video website, log in if you haven't already. Now, choose any movie or TV show that you want to watch, and after that simply tap on the video. Now while the video is playing, hover your mouse over the video player. In the top right corner, you'll see a settings icon with three vertical dots. Click on it and select the speed option from the menu. In the speed options, to speed up the video, you can choose 1.25, 1.5, or even 2x for double speed. The video will begin playing faster right away. And that's it. That's how you simply increase playback speed on Amazon Prime Video.